Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a special vanilla cake. Just watch it, okay? So we need 3 eggs that I have already cracked into my bowl, half cup of vegetable oil, 120 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar, and then here in my bowl I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt, and of course we'll be needing vanilla. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to be mixing my eggs. So you can see our eggs, they are fluffy and they have doubled in size. Okay, so next I'm going to be introducing my vegetable oil to the mix. Okay, but let me beat it some more. Okay, so this is how our mixture is. Next I'm going to be introducing 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So this is a very cost-effective recipe, very cost-effective. So I'm just putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'll beat it some more. Okay, so let's prepare our flour mix now. So this is our flour. This is our baking powder, and this is our salt. We are going to be sieving it, so I'm just giving it a quick mix to make sure that it's mixed into the flour. Okay, make sure you always do this. Now I'm just going to be sieving it. Okay, so this is our flour ready to be used. So here I've prepared a 7-inch pan and I've buttered it. And put my baking paper. Now this is a straw board that I have cut to fit the size of my pan, and I have wrapped it in cling film. You will see what we'll be doing with it shortly. Okay, but so let's just finish. Now I'm just going to be mixing my flour and then beating it up. You can see that I am beating it on low speed, no more high speed. Okay, so we are done, and this is our batter ready to be used. So if you don't want to move on to the next step, then you may as well just pour it into your prepared pan, and then you bake it for 45 minutes. Okay, but this next step is for whoever wants to continue with it. Now I intend to color my batter into 2. I'm going to be making lemon and mint batter. So I'm just going to be dividing my batter into 2, and then I'll be adding some color and I'll be adding some flavoring. So to this batter I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of lemon essence, and to the second one I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of orange essence. Next I'll be adding orange color to my orange essence batter and some green color too, and to this batter I'll be adding some green color to it. If you are wondering what this is, these are the down part of plastic spoons, I just snip them. I use the other part for drying my flours, and I use this bottom part for mixing my sugar and my colors. Okay, so it's useful to me. So mix in your color into your batter. Do that gently. Okay, we don't want to deflate our beautiful batter. Okay, I wish you could smell the flavor. It's absolutely divine. All right, so this is my orange batter. So this recipe is for you if you are looking for something different, okay, for your customers, and you just want to do something without breaking the bank. Your customers are enjoying and you are getting the wow factor without breaking a leg. Okay, all right, so our batters are ready. So this is my pan and what I'm going to do now is putting this in the center. Okay, we want to have two different batters in one pan. So what I'll be doing now is pouring this to this side. Coming to this side now, I'm pouring. Okay, so I've managed to scrape it back. So I'll be pouring this on this side. So you can see how our batters are. They are divided into two equal parts, but I'm not going to be baking with this here. Okay. So now that we have our batter equally divided without mixing, I'm going to gently remove the center. So you can actually push this to this side, and then you push this to this side. So you just tap it gently, and then you bake it in your oven. So the cake is out of the oven, and it was fast, very fast, faster than 45 minutes. So let's bring it out. Okay, it's still very hot, but I just want to do this very fast. Oh. Okay, it's time to put it, and okay, so I'll just be flipping it on my pan. So let's cut into it. Let me see if I can cut it into 3 equal parts. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so that's the first one, and now I'm going to be cutting it again. Are you seeing the flame? Is it, will I call it flame? I don't even know what to call it, because I'm confused right now. Like, the smell is confusing me. The aroma from this cake is confusing me. It is really confusing me. Try it yourself. Try it yourself. Okay, so I have cut this little cake into 3 layers, and if you want to frost it, an idea for you to frost it is, okay, instead of putting this way, you can flip it this way, okay, and then this last one will be this way, so that when you want to cut into the cake, every side will be different. Okay, so give it a trial and give me your feedback. mm. Mm, 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 mm. Can't wait to dig into it.